So let's start with our first item. It's called an accordion and it is provided by the Twitter Bootstrap framework. So when I add an accordion, now I have to add accordion items inside it. So when I click an accordion item, it adds a button like this, and I can add as many items, accordion items into this accordion as I like. And inside the item now I can add HTML elements, right? So let's say this is accordion item number one, and this is an empty, the accordion is right now empty, so I will add a paragraph and I can add an image. You can add any HTML element. You can even add an accordion inside this item if you want. Mostly you will add a paragraph, image, or a video, and same you can add, you can do for this one. So I'll choose the second item. I'll add a paragraph to it, and so I have added an image. And if I go to the instant preview, you'll see that all these accordion is now working. But there is one thing is that all the items were collapsed by default. So if you want some particular item to be open when you first load the page, you can just toggle this expand item by default. And when I go to the instant preview again, you'll see that the first item is automatically open. So the accordion is a great way if you have a lot of information to show on a page, like a frequently asked questions section or some knowledge base. And it is provided default by the Bootstrap framework.